Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of digital marketing and freelancing, two forces that are shaping the future of work around the globe. These are not just buzzwords, they are opportunities that connect people, businesses, and technology everywhere. Digital marketing is no longer just for big corporations. It's a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes, from local shops to international brands. SEO, social media, content creation, and email campaigns help companies reach the right audience at the right time. Personalized experiences and data-driven strategies make digital marketing essential in today's global economy. The rise of freelancing. Alongside digital marketing, freelancing is transforming how people work. More and more individuals are leaving the traditional 9-to-5 behind to enjoy freedom and flexibility. Freelancers bring skills like graphic design, web development, content writing, and virtual assistance to clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are creating a borderless job market, connecting global talent with global demand. The bridge between the two. Digital marketing and freelancing are deeply connected. Freelancers often use marketing strategies to promote their own services. At the same time, businesses rely on freelancers for specialized projects, from social media management to ad campaigns. This collaboration strengthens the global digital economy and creates win-win opportunities for both sides. The future of digital marketing and freelancing is incredibly bright. As technology advances, these fields will unlock even more opportunities. If you have digital skills, the world is waiting for you. Stay inspired, stay connected, and build your own path in the global digital economy. Thank you for watching.